Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I did not make a video for you on Sunday because I was traveling, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you what to do on Sunday anyway so you don't forget. Get up in the morning and do your morning routine. Put your children through their routine. And then everyone will have eaten, everyone will have gotten dressed, everyone will have a clean face and their hair is brushed, their pajamas are put away, their bed is made, the bathroom looks nice, the sink and the toilet are swished and swiped by you, the dishes have been put away, and now you've cleaned up after breakfast. That's the morning routine. Now, the next thing you're going to do is, because it's just a 2-layer cake today, is renew your spirit. So go on and renew your spirit. Go to church if that's what you do. I hope you do. But whatever it is, renew your spirit today with yourself and your family so that you can have that regeneration of soul and you feel so much better during the week. All right, so this is a real quick and easy one. You may notice that I'm not sitting in my normal position, and that is because I'm using a handheld selfie stick because I think I left my tripod in the mountains. Fortunately, my sister is on her way up, so I should get that back in about 2 weeks. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.